Hey Go Anywhere gang! Thank you guys so much for following along on this page. If you know me already, if you don't, hello, I'm Rayana. You can also call me Ray. It's so nice to meet you out there in the world, wherever you are. Thank you so much for hanging out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all the social media stuff. It's so cool to be able to connect with fellow travelers and people from all over the world. How cool is that? We can do that today, right now. Whoa! Welcome to 2019! This is my video series. I'm going to be sharing travel tips with all of you, and this is my first travel tip. This is something that you can do from home, very easy, and it will help you save money for your travels. It's also something that I do as well, and it's super simple. What I want you all to do is get yourself a travel jar, Mine says travel money. Just a piece of paper that I ripped out of a notebook. You can do whatever you want with yours. You can get creative. You could put the flag of the country you want to go to, or a map, or an inspirational quote, whatever it is that you want, whatever it is that you're saving for. In my case, it's travel. So this is just a little bit of money, of course. You can see it's just some change. But this money will add up over time. You have money in your car, you have money in your purse, you have money in your jeans, you have money just scattered about your house, coins. I guarantee it, if you start looking, you're gonna find it. It'll change your bank account. Once you have done your travel jar, make sure to tag Go Anywhere Girl on it. I want to see what you've done to inspire yourself for travel or whatever you're saving for, because like you saw mine, it's just a piece of paper. So I want to see what creative things that you have done for your travel jar. Thank you all so much for tuning in to my first travel tip video. I'll be doing many more of these, so if you enjoyed it, please follow along on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and I will be there to chat. Thank you for being a part of my journey, and I love being a part of yours. Because it'll change your life.